Welcome back to another episode of the Spark videos, where we make customer requirements to a reality. And today we're going to talk about the new declaration method for cells and structs. The way we always used to initialize structs and cells is to declare the variable format and then assign data to it. You can still use this method to declare and initialize a cell or struct variable, but now we provide a more convenient way to do the same thing. Users now can use the braces and square brackets notation to declare and initialize structs and cells. This looks very similar to a Python dictionary. Say for example, I can now combine the 5 or 6 lines above to a single line to declare and to initialize a struct. As for demo, I'm going to run the 5 lines here to declare and to initialize a struct named struct A, and now I can get access to struct A. And now you can use this new notation to declare and to initialize a struct. So now with this line run, I can get access to the new struct, which is identical to struct A. Same thing applies to the cell declaration and initialization. We used to use several lines to declare and to initialize a cell, and now you can use a single line to do the same thing. And that's it for this week. Please stay tuned for our new features coming out next week. Thank you.